This is a walkthrough that goes along with our adaptation from Rice University's We Want a Shrubbery. So down here, I'm showing you these are the steps that we're going to go through to create our first Python assignment. Now, the first place I'd like you to click on is where it says a template for your mini project. This will open up the Python 3 Code Sculptor interface. Now, I want you to first delete this line and type in your name and today's date. After that, we will go down and where it says insert code here on line 5, we're actually going to create a print statement. Now in Python 3, we have to put parentheses around our print statements. I just want it to say, we want a shrubbery. This is from Monty Python. Over on the left side, we have a run button, which I would like you to click, and we get our output on the right side. I'm going to add another print statement here. I want to say we are the knights who say ni. Notice I put this in quotations and I have parentheses around it. So I'll hit run again, and there we have it. Now to turn in our files, first we'll have to hit the save button here, and that creates a new URL up at the top. Now we'll highlight this and copy it, and then we'll go back over to Schoology, and when we submit our assignment, we will click on the Create tab, and in here we can just paste the URL and hit Submit. When you hit Submit, it will send me this, and I will be able to open up your file. The other way we can do it is we can actually download our code. This will open up a new window for us, which is purely Python code. And we go up to the File menu, pick Save Page As, choose where you'd like to save your file, and pick an appropriate name. I will call this one 0 We Want a Shrubbery. You'll notice here it's a Python script, and I will hit Save. Now that I have saved my file, I will go back over, I will say Submit Assignment, and we click on the file browser just like we did with our HTML documents. We pick our Python file and open it. And then when we hit Submit, this will send me the file instead, which I can run on my computer. So as you go lower, you'll notice I've got some advanced programming for extra credit and some links to some other Monty Python videos. And down here is the 5-point rubric to say how I'm going to mark this file, and a bonus mark if you include at least 5 lines from a Monty Python sketch. Hopefully this is pretty straightforward and you should have no problem getting this first assignment done.